So what else can we do with a projector? More importantly, what else can we do with a cheap projector? So here I have is an XL Van 720p projector. It's just using LCD technology, nothing too special going on here. It costs about 100 UK pounds or about $140, something like that. And we can produce this pretty cool laser light show effect. Now this piece of software that's producing this is called Music Beam, and it's open source as well, totally and utterly free, and it produces a pretty cool effect. You will of course need a fog machine as well, so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how to set this all up. So first of all, you're going to need your projector hooked up to your computer or laptop. I'm using just a HDMI cable. I've got a HDMI out on my laptop, and basically I'm going to set my laptop up so the projector is the second screen. Once you've done that, you can then install Music Beam. So this is Music Beam. This is version 2.5, and this is all it is really. As you can see in the background, we've got our laser show going on there, and that's projected through your projector. So you need to set up your projector as the second screen on your computer. This is just an example for you, but yeah, this screen here will be pushed through the projector, and then we can choose whatever we want. So you've got scanner, moonflower, RGB spot, derby, snowstorm, laser burst, and polygon, as well as strobe and blackout. I won't play strobe because yeah, it makes my eyes a bit funny. And you can change the speed and settings and all sorts of different things in there, and it plays basically to the music, whatever you're playing through. Maybe you've got YouTube on, or if you connect it up to a CD player, whatever it is, it will play to the music. So my first attempt, it didn't go too well. I went outside, and unfortunately I've got a great big street light outside my house, and it just totally ruined it. Otherwise it would have been perfect. So I set up on my fog machine, make sure I pointed all the mist that was going towards the projector. I didn't quite achieve the result I wanted, and it came out like this. Too much light, I think. My projector's not the brightest projector ever, so yeah, I need a much darker room, I think. So I moved inside, made sure everyone was out because I didn't want to gas them all, and then tried again. So thanks for watching, guys. Of course, all credit goes to Music Beam for this cool piece of software. Just make sure you've got your fog machine and your projector all set up properly, and you shouldn't go too far wrong with using this. Now, of course, I'm never going to use this again. This is just some fun I've done for this video. But if you're maybe a DJ, or if you like holding lots of parties, I don't know, this might be something for you to look into. It is quite a cool effect at the end of the day. The better projector you've got, the better the results you'll achieve. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we shall see you very soon.